Welcome to our grooming showdown. Today, we are comparing two top-tier grooming kits, the Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 9000 and the Spaver 17-piece Beard Grooming Kit. Both products promise to deliver exceptional grooming experiences, but they cater to different needs and preferences. Let's dive into the details and see which one comes out on top. The Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 9000 stands out with its smart beard sense technology, which actively monitors hair density and adjusts motor power for optimal performance. In contrast, the Spaver kit features a safety lock that prevents accidental activation during travel, ensuring convenience on the go. While both kits offer unique technologies, the Norelco's advanced features provide a significant edge for precision grooming. When it comes to precision, the Norelco Multigroom Series 9000 offers exceptional control, with its 0.2 mm precision settings, allowing for detailed beard shaping and fading. On the other hand, the Spaver kit relies on standard guide combs with fixed lengths, which may not provide the same level of detail. For users who prioritize precision in their grooming routine, the Norelco is the clear winner. In terms of accessories, the Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 9000 comes with an impressive 21 tools, making it a versatile option for all grooming needs. The Spaver kit, while still comprehensive, includes only 17 pieces. This difference in tool variety can significantly impact the grooming experience, especially for those looking for specialized tools for different tasks. In conclusion, both the Philips Norelco Multigroom Series 9000 and the Spaver 17-piece Beard Grooming Kit offer unique features that cater to different grooming preferences. The Norelco excels in technology, precision, and accessory count, making it ideal for meticulous groomers. Meanwhile, the Spaver provides a solid, all-in-one solution with travel-friendly features. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more grooming tips and product comparisons.